Take these color cubes and pack them into the tray. This is the Chroma Cube puzzle made by Project Genius, and it has 25 different challenges in it. They start their puzzles at easy and work their way up to super difficult puzzles. First, pick your challenge. Next, place the pieces onto the tray that they say to on the card. Now read the clues and place the rest of the pieces. If you want to check out more for yourself, go check out the puzzle at puzzlemaster.ca. In this one it says, Emerald knows only colors that are 4 letters long. Knows is side by side. So anything side by side with Emerald is only 4 letters long. So we have to take mint and teal. Clue number 2 says brown can see magenta and purple. So we got to find brown, and sees is in the same row across the puzzle. Brown and magenta and purple in the same row, and has heard of orange but does not know any of them. Brown has heard of is in the same column, but it does not know any of them. So if we have purple here, we need to put magenta on this side, brown over here, and orange needs to go there because it does not know any of these colors, so it cannot be side by side with those colors. It says cobalt knows orange and can see teal and coral. Cobalt has to be beside orange and can see teal and coral. Black only knows orange, mint, and mustard, but has heard of white. Once you've placed all the pieces onto the tray and you're sure you have them correct, flip over the card and find the answer. So we have emerald, mint, black, orange, teal, coral, mustard, cobalt, magenta, purple, white, and brown. If you like this logic solving puzzle, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.